Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is Pcoin. Pcoin finance your projects and assets that alternative way using the blockchain financing made easy. This is the white paper of the Pcoin is a pitch desk and also you can buy the Pcoin here. So already the Pcoin is listed on two exchanges. The first is ChainX and the second is Stacks.com. So guys, in a ChainX the trading in of the Pcoin is in Ethereum. So Pcoin hash ETH. So you can buy Pcoin here easily through Ethereum, and in the Stacks you can also buy the Pcoin here through BTC. One coin price is almost on the Stacks exchange is $9.31. It's a good price of the coin. So guys, what is Power Corp? Power Corp is innovating finance 3.0 by building a better exchange of value system. Its assets backed Pcoin is a hybrid stablecoin that protects against volatility in the cryptocurrency market. So this is the introduction. Occurred A.I foreign exchange algorithm onboarded strategic assets building up to a GW of renewable energy powered high performance data centers. So guys, just click on the view more option and you can read more about the Power Corp. So guys, this is a tokenized. So in the tokenized, the blockchain has made tokenizing assets a way to onboard and unlock the value of assets worldwide for investment and leveraging for finance. So it's a great liquidity, it's faster and cheaper transaction also, and more transparency, and also the more accessibles. So guys, just click on the get tokenized and you will get that. So guys, this is the borrow option, and we also see that it's qualifying clients available for that. So the BTC, Ethereum, and also dollar, and in also a real estate. So you can also apply for that. So guys, this is the trade option, and you can get also their signals which is 90% accurate and good signal. So just check out here. And guys, I already told you that the Pcoin is also listed on two exchanges, which is chainx.kr and the second is stacks.com. Both exchanges are good, so you can buy and sell the Pcoin on these both exchanges. So guys, this is the roadmap. So platform complete 100% functionality in 2022. It's IO on top exchange to raise $50 $50 million in 2023. So break ground on Wyoming projects, expand assets holding to almost to $50 million, and break ground on 1 GW blockchain data center in 2025. So 1 billion assets held open 1G data center. Phase 1 it's almost 2026. So in phase 2 of 1 GW blockchain data center open 3 million assets held in 2027. So guys, you can also contact with them. So just put it your name here, your company name, organizations, then put it your phone number and email, and then put your message here, and then just click on the submit button and your message will be sent. They will contact you soon as possible. So you can also become part of Power Corp, also Power Coin global community. Just join now, click button. So these are the FAQs of the project, like what is Power Corp. Just click on the Power Corp option and you will get the answer of this question. The second question is what details and features does PowerCorp.us provide, and then how can I buy Pcoin, how can I be assured that everything written in the white paper or on the website will be fulfilled by company, and the last question is why is Power Corp different. So you can also get the newsletter for the Pcoin project. So just put it your email here, and then click on the subscribe option and you will get the emails through the website. So guys, this is the email. You can also email them and get the info, and these are the useful links like white paper, FAQ and blog. So there's a disclaimer, terms of use, and there's a policy. So guys, these are the connection that you can use to contact with them. The Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn, and this is the Instagram. It's a Pinterest, Medium, GitHub, Reddit. This is the YouTube channel. So you can also contact with them through these social links. And guys, now we are going to discuss the bounty of the P coin. It's a great bounty, and guys, you can also join this. So almost 5,000 P coin are going to give away. Its worth is almost $35,000. And guys, this will end on 31st May 2021. So in the bounty allocation, YouTube 1500 coins, it's almost 30%. Facebook 1000 coins is almost 20%. Twitter 1000 coins is almost 20%, and in Instagram 750 coins is almost 15%. Blog and media will get almost 750 coins, which is almost 15%. So total bounty coins is almost 5000, and one coin price is almost $7. But now at this time in the stream exchange, we can see here. So in the Stacks exchange, the coin price is almost $9.31, and it's a good price. So guys, this is the Telegram group for this bounty. So you must to join that, and if you have any question, then you can ask them. So guys, these are the general rules. So join the Telegram group and also in other Telegram channel. And now guys, if just read the rules of the bounty here. So in the bounty campaign, you must to make a 5-minute video or longer than that, and you must to subscribe the YouTube channel of this bounty. And guys, you need to minimum of 250 subscriber, which is the most important, and they just accept preferably in English language. So you must to make the video in English language, and then you must to contain the proper title and description along with the hashtag. Just copy the hashtag and paste in your video description. And guys, just that's it. So just click on the join here form and open it. You must to fill the form here. So guys, if you have good amount of subscribers, then you will get good stacks on weekly basis. So if you have minimum 200 to 250 to 500 subscribers, you will get 0.1 stacks per week. If you have 501 to 2000 subscribers, you will get almost 1 stacks per week. And if you have 2001 or above, then the 2001 subscriber, you will get 2 stacks per week. This is the form. Just put it your YouTube channel here, link here, and then created YouTube video URL, and then after that you will put your email ID, your MetaMask wallet, and then Telegram username here. After that guys, you can check your update work here. This is the Facebook campaign. If you have good amount of friends, then you will get a good amount of stacks, and you must to use this hashtag. Then minimum you must to share 2 or more posts per week from our official Facebook page. Publish minimum 5 new relevant posts every week, and Power project on your page #profile. Comment and like on all our posts. So guys, check out here. Just if you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks here. This is the joining form, so you must to fill that. This is the Twitter campaign. If you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. So this is the form, and guys, just check out here. If you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. This is the Instagram bounty campaign rule. So you must to need a minimum 250 followers, and you must to follow and like the Instagram page of the Pcoin. So guys, 5 stacks per week for completed all stars. This is the form, and this is the update work report here. And guys, another campaign named blog and media bounty campaign rules. So you can join the bounty and media campaign also here. Minimum you need to make 500 videos, 500 words articles or longer than that, and this is must in English. So you must to read all the rules about this allocation, bounty allocation. So rejected post 0 stacks, low quality 1 stack, medium is almost 2 stacks, high quality 5 stacks, and in unlimited 10 stacks. So this is the joining form, and this is the update work report here. So this is the sample of proof of registration. So you must to first submit this, and then after that you will join the campaign. I hope you will like the video. If you have any type of question about the Pcoin project, then ask in comment. See you, bye bye.